Hi, this is Muse. The goal of Muse is to create an accessible mouse for people with limited motor function, and to also make it affordable by using low-cost components like ESP32, MPU 6050 gyroscope, and 3D printed parts. In total, Muse costs less than $30 to make. Well, Muse is made up of two main components: an elastic band case mounted on the user's body with a gyroscope and a DIY haptic motor to track movement and provide vibrational feedback, and a table-mounted box containing ESP32 and other electrical components. Movement readings is sent from the case to the box via a cable and processed, ultimately turning into computer cursor movement. Everything is made from scratch, in fact. Even the weight for the haptic motor is carefully designed, involving center of mass calculations and analysis. Muse supports three different modes: head-mounted, arm-mounted, and hand-mounted. That means users can wear it wherever they have the most control. A friction-based adjustable strap let one device fit all three positions, and a switch on the control box change how the software responds based on the mode selected. Now here's the demonstration of the head-mounted mode. As you can see, Muse controls the mouse using rotational sensing. Turning your head left or right moves the cursor left and right, and tilting your head forward or backwards moves it up and down. To click, you do a quick, sharp tilt to the left. A vibration from the haptic motor confirms the click. Next, an arm-mounted mode for amputated users without a forearm. And finally, a hand-mounted. Overall, Muse is a low-cost, versatile design that supports head, arm, and hand-mounted modes, making it adaptable to different mobility needs by different individuals. It is truly meaningful and might genuinely help those in need. Thank you.